Day number 5 on the shop build. Progress is going. They're actually using the cut saw right now, cutting up the concrete. They're gonna cut all that up, break it up, get it out of here. That's where the triple basin drain is going. They'll get that all put together. We'll put a slight pitch to it so all the water drains to the middle of the floor. We won't have any puddles or problems with that. Setting up some shelves for the car guy supply stuff. We're gonna be putting it in the office right now. It'll probably end up moving a couple times before it finds its final home, but progress is going well. The shelves we're putting up, we got from Lowe's. They're called Gladiator. I think I said Gator.
Gator don't play no shit.
All right, putting up the Gladiator shelves that we got from Lowe's. These are only $100 each. I did a lot of research and I didn't want cheap shelves. I wanted something that we could put a lot of weight on. What I like about these is they have a middle brace in this middle section here, and then the board actually has a little bit of a shelf to sit on in there. I've gotten a couple cheap ones from Costco where you put any sort of weight on these and it starts to sink at the bottom and these start to pull out. Each one of these shelves is rated for 1,000 pounds, so we can actually put up 5,000 pounds of product on there. That should be plenty to hold all this stuff that we need it to hold. I think they got most of the framing all done, the framing to the clean room, and then the framing to the kitchen and the storage room. They started taking away the concrete where the doors are gonna go. I'm not sure exactly when they're gonna start putting the doors in, but all exciting stuff, man. I can't wait. What's going on, everybody? It is day number 11 on our new shop build. Super excited. I haven't been here all weekend. I was in Atlanta for the 2019 G-Technique Summit. Awesome time there. I'm going to do a separate video on that. I'll link it up in the corner if you guys want to go check it out. But excited to see what they have going on in the construction build and where they're at. Right now, we're going to go meet with the electrical contractor. He's doing all the lighting and all the electrical, and that's one of the biggest expenses that we have going on right now. I think it was like $65,000 to do what he's doing. We have lighting going in the clean room. We have a kitchen. We have a storage, and then all the bays, the detail bays, are going to get lights. What I wanted to do is do track lighting, like a studio track lighting for all of this. I thought it'd look really cool for paint correction, track lighting. The spotlights, the LED spotlights are great for doing paint correction. I think they're a little too expensive, so we're gonna go discuss with him another option that we can go with. Maybe we don't need spotlights everywhere, like in the wash bay or in the coating or the paint protection, the window tint, the film area. Maybe we could just get away with having those spotlights in just a detail bay where we do all that paint correction stuff. So we're gonna go talk to him. Let's go inside. I'm excited to see what's going on. Come on.
I don't know if you're more interested in color or seeing detail.
Light.
So then you probably want to go with the 80 CRI.
We use leaf blowers to dry cars off, and we'll want to get 2. And if we're going to be washing 2 cars in there, we'll want 2 in each bay. So one could be here, one could be here, one could be there.
All right, day number 15 on our shop build, 2 weeks in. We expect this process to last 2 months, so we're about a quarter of the way through. Lots going on. We got the desks in the office here. We got the internet put in the other day. Lots of exciting stuff going in back in the shop. I think we had like 20, 25 construction workers back there the other day, getting doors put in, getting the plumbing done, getting the electrical done, testing out our new chairs. Very nice. Where did these come from? Wayfair? Got these from Wayfair. These are real nice. So we're gonna have a little bar area, kind of a high top bar area, kind of different sections in the waiting room for people to hang out with. We're gonna have a car guy supplies, a little place here so we can have sell all the products and tools and everything for local detailers to come in to, and customers to buy maintenance products and all that. Got a couple couches coming. Desks are being set up right now. It's all coming together. Standing in the future detailing bays, we were here the other day to discuss with the electrician who is also doing all the lights, whether or not we wanted to do track lighting in all of the bays. We wanted to figure out what the cost was going to be versus doing just LED strip lighting. And it was an extra $14,000 to do the 5 bays in strip lighting and the spotlights. And I think this is going to be a difference changer when we're doing paint correction. I've seen a couple shops where they have the spotlights and it's really easy to have that correction. Otherwise you're using a flashlight, putting away, and it just takes a lot of time. I think it's gonna be more efficient. It was a little expensive, so we decided just to do half the bays. We're gonna just do 2 bays, and then we can come back maybe at a later point if we decide that we really like them, and we can put them in the rest of the bays. I'm gonna have all the specs and all the lights that we're actually gonna use. I'll either put them in the video or I'll put them in the description so you can see what we're using and what we're doing. Working on the wash bay over here. They're just getting the drain system put in. They just put in the triple basin, which was cool to look at. It was just plastic. I thought it'd be a lot more to it, but it was just a big plastic. We were here last week. They started taking out the doors, the 18-foot doors that we're gonna have for the in and out. Not exactly sure when the doors are coming. We had a couple different options. We wanted to be able to look outside and see the doors and have the natural light come in a little bit. So I think we're just having one panel that's gonna have all windows on it so we can see if there's a car out there that needs to come in. This whole thing's a bit of a process because they come in, they do a little work, and then the city has to come in and they got to inspect everything and make sure that everything's up to permit, up to code. So it's kind of work, a couple days off. They come in and inspect everything. Okay, they give us a thumbs up, and then we can come back in, work. So a little bit of a process, and hoping we can get everything done in the next couple months. Our target date is the end of March to be moved in here, so hopefully we'll get it all done.